Hi, how are you? In this lesson, I'm going to show you how we can calculate the area of certain spaces in AutoCAD in a super quick way. For that, we're going to use a block that has attributes. And I'll show you the step by step so you can do it in a really cool and super fast way. The first thing we always need is in our template to have a layer for the area, okay? Preferably this area layer should be set up so it doesn't show up in the PDF. For that, we can go to Layer Properties and check if the layer I created doesn't have the printer icon, meaning the printer icon is turned off. In other words, I don't have to worry about the areas showing up when I present the PDF. So we have a few ways to outline the entire area. We can even use the rectangle tools right here in AutoCAD itself, like for example in this suite. So I can go from one corner here to the other. And if I want to see the area, I can select this rectangle by clicking it once. With the right mouse button, I go to Properties, and right here you'll see the area. So it's almost 10 square meters. And now, to use our little block, we're going to do the following. Notice that the text part, the part where the area information appears, has a marking around it, which means it's assigned to a polyline. So I'm just going to take this text and using move or copy, I'll place it in the center of my space, and I'll show you how to configure it. Double click on the space. For example, I can name it switch. And click OK. Double click on the area, and then the information from the previous area will show up here, which is correct. Then just double click on the numbers. This field window will open, and I click right here to choose my polyline. So I click on this little icon, click on the polyline, and click OK. I'll click OK and now the area is correct. In the case of a polyline, when the space isn't rectangular, it's important to check if this polyline is closed. So when drawing the polyline, you select that same polyline with the click, right-click to go to Properties, and make sure it's closed here. It probably won't be closed when you finish making this polyline. And then, in the same way, I can copy the text either with Control-C, Control-V, or with the copy command, okay? Position it where I want, double-click, so here it's bathroom, hit OK, double-click in the area, another double-click on the numbers and on this little icon here. Then just click on the polyline and hit OK. Hit OK. And then we'll have 7 square meters, a little more than 7 square meters. Always remember that the polyline has to be closed. If you want to check, you can select the polyline and right-click to go to Properties. And check the area field here. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next classes. Thank you very much.